The drum major, Jasmine Winford and Emily McMillan. The band captain, Abby Lyles. The brass captain, Matthew LaCour. The woodwind captain, Winter Hazelwood. The percussion captain, Justin Dix. The color guard captain, Morgan Lacombe. The show is entitled Small Town Nights Under the Stadium Lights. Selections to be performed include Saturday Night's All Right, the IHS Fight Song, and Jupiter from the Planets. And we have a plethora of shout-outs for Iowa High School, so we're going to go ahead and get started. To Bo, Dimitri, Cole, and John from Court's mom. It's been a pleasure watching you boys grow and become the great musicians you are. Good luck the rest of senior year. Y'all are awesome. To Court Jason from Mom. I hope you're as proud of yourself as I am. Good luck the rest of your senior year, bub. You got this. From Mason Thibodeau from Mom. Have a great show. To Chloe Binbin and Abby Binbu. Mom and Dad and Wiener Dogs. We love you and are so proud of you. March like you're on the set of drum line. Hashtag Flight of the Bumblebees. To Bo McKinley from Mom. Have a great senior year and the best marching season ever. From Matthew LaCour. To Matthew LaCour from Mom. Good luck. I love you. Have a great marching season. To Abby and Chloe Bienvenue from Mimi. Love watching you march, y'all make me proud. From Jaylee Guillory from Pawpaw, I'm watching you from up above, I love you. To Abby Stack from Mom, I'm so proud of you. To Jaylee Guillory from Mom and Dad, we are so proud of you, we love you. To Marlia Chevis from Mom and Dad, good luck, we are proud of you. To Angel Jones from Mom and Dad, good luck, we are proud of you. To Jaylee Guillory from Mama, do great. To Jaylee Guillory from Riley McFarland, what's up?
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the campus of Pickering High School. Today's game will feature the visiting Brass City Barons versus your hometown Woodville Wranglers. At this time, please direct your attention to the 50-yard line for today's coin toss, featuring referees Jasmine Winford and Emily McMillan, Barons team captains Abby Lyles and Matthew LaCour, and Wranglers team captains Winter Hazelwood and Mackenzie Adams.
Drum majors, is your band ready? The field is yours.
Saturday afternoon in O'Banion Stadium, and here come your Fighting Wranglers of Woodville. The Woodville Wranglers definitely have their work cut out for them here today. Having not won a game the previous 2 seasons, the Wranglers are 21-point underdogs to the 3-time reigning champion Barons. Let's see how this plays out. For the Barons, and no one can stop her. Touchdown, Brass City Barons. The Woodville Wranglers certainly have their backs against the wall now.